Please be seated. Thank you. The Speaker, Abia State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Emmanuel Emerowa. The Deputy Speaker, Right Honorable Austin Okezie Meregene. The Majority Leader of the 8th Assembly, Honorable Uchenna Okorie Carlo. Permit me to use the three of you to reach out to all the other members of the 8th Assembly that are here with us. I also like to recognize former members of the same house, former members of the House of Representatives, and permit me to use Right Honorable Ihanacho Obioma, who is also Special Advisor to the Governor on Political Affairs, to reach all of you. The Secretary to the State Government, Professor Kenneth Carlo. Let me use you to reach all other government appointees that are here with us. The Commissioner for Finance, Maze Michael Abara. Permit me to use you to reach all other commissioners that are here with us, and I can see quite a number. The Mayor of Arochukwu Local Government, Chief Joe Eze Aro. I'd like to use you to reach all the mayors, deputy mayors, councillors of all the local governments that are here with us at this moment. Your Royal Majesty, the Eze Aro of Arochukwu Kingdom, and the chief celebrant of today, together with your Ugeze, let me thank you for having us, and permit me to use you to reach all the traditional rulers from Abia State that are here, including the chairman of the Council of Traditional Rulers, who is represented by the second vice chairman, Eze Nelson Merengwa. I'd like to use my dear friend and brother to reach other traditional rulers that are here that came from outside Abia State. And I have a lot of you here. I recognize you. I welcome you to Abia. It is well with you. The chairman of Labour Party, Sir Emma Nweze Otti, permit me to use you to reach all the state working committee, state ESCO, local government working committee, and ESCO ward committee and ESCO, and all party members that are here with us. You're welcome. Let me reach the retinue of anointed men and women of God that are in our midst today. Let me use my brother, Bank Antonio Korafo, Uguaro, to reach all captains of industry that are here, and I can see a lot of them. You're welcome to Arochukwu. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen of the press, Aro people, Okibo, Mamano, Amanama, Mamano, Abiramba Meziemba, Mamano, Inyom George, Orihe. Let me start by welcoming all of you to Arochukwu and to Abia State. I would like to thank God for travel mercies, thank Him for the clement weather that He gave us, thank Him for a day like this. God doesn't make mistakes. He willed that this day will happen. And that is why we are here today. I have no doubt that majority of our people are very happy with what is happening today. There may be one or two people that are not happy. But it's not our business to make everybody happy. Let me make one point clear. Any society that does not have leadership is a cursed society. And leadership comes neither from east, west, north, or south. The Bible records that power comes from God. And at His own time, He makes things beautiful. So I would like to use what happened in Oror and recommend it to other societies. Why do I say so? Gone are the days where people choose the worst rather than the best as leaders. All right, thank you very much. I want to say without any fear of contradiction that our people made the best choice. From what I've seen, from what I have read, from what I have heard about the Eze Aro the Ninth, he is the best in his class. He is the type of leader that every society should aim to have. A leader that will invest in the community rather than stealing from the community. A leader that will show the light rather than initiating people into darkness. A leader that has a second address. You know what it means to have a second address? To have a profession. Because if you don't have a second address, then where you are becomes your second address. And the tendency is for people who don't have second addresses to begin to dip their hands in the till. I can say that the Eze Aro of Arochukwu is one that would not dip his hands in the till, but on the other hand, contribute his own resources to the development of the Aro community. So let me thank you. I do not want to speak for too long. I know there are a whole lot of activities lined up for today, but because I was coming from Abuja and I still have one more program this afternoon, I said I must say hello to all of you, thank the Aro people for inviting me, thank you for the choice of your traditional ruler, and wish the traditional ruler well. And I pray that as you depart from here later, that God will take you back to your destination safely. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you very much. That's the governor of the state, is number one citizen of Abia State, His Excellency Dr. Alex Chioma Otti, OFR. And very shortly we will invite the Redeem Overseer representative to come and pray for the King.